everyone, this is Lucy, and in this tutorial you will be learning about how to create a digital signature in Word. So first you need to create a space where you want to insert the signature here over your name at least. Now what you need to do is you need to have a digital signature. You can just sign it on your paper and click a photo. Now make sure the same photo is accessed on your PC as well, the device you're using. Now you need to go to insert and go to pictures. Go to this device and go to the location where your signature exists. Mine is in the downloads. So here, double click on your signature. You need to adjust its size, shape, and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.